it? Alright, cool. Alright, we have beef jerky, hot fries, and pickles. Cody? We got me. We have cold dough. Alright, which ice cream we're gonna do today?
Well, she's not over here now.
Let's see. Well, which ice cream we're gonna do?
I think we should do mint. Right there.
Mint. Mint.
Mint.
Yummy.
I can just grab it right now.
Alright. Oh, what size? I like it. You love it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it. Alright,
We want a
mint,
love it, and mint.
and love it. You can't tell me this is not funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love it. I don't think we're gonna love it, but
Alright, get that, dude. Get that right there. Can you see it?
yeah.
You guys want all this mixed in there, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
just kind of dump it in.
Doesn't matter how to us.
Oh, man. That's good
Hot
stuff.
fries, beef jerky, and pickles. What's that?
Oh, man, look at that.
Yummy. Hold on, I got the money somewhere. Oh, it's in my hand, okay. Oh, look at that big.
Oh, that's just gross, yo.
It looks good.
Hey, look at that.
We're gonna eat that.
It's yummy.
I so want to see you guys eat this.
Alright, we'll eat it.
Do you guys want any fudge on it?
No.
Nah, just that.
Huh? Definitely throw some fudge. I know, that's what I'm gonna do.
Want fudge on it?
No, no fudge.
fudge?
Just plain, dude.
Alright.
Can we get 2 spoons, too?
Here.
I can smell the pickle. No fudge.
Oh, well, that'll work.
Since you guys are making this mix, we put up that.
What's that?
Yeah, that's definitely mayonnaise.
And the mayonnaise. Alright, cool. Oh, there's that business. Alright. Let's see how much this is gonna come out to.
Can we get spoons?
Or here's the dough.
It's here.
Whatever's cheapest.
Okay, so, do you want me to charge him with this? Just the ice cream?
We just mixed beef jerky, hot fries, and pickles.
Yeah.
We are bored.
Actually, no, charge him with the ice
What is that?
I don't know.
The ice cream and fudge. Alright. You need something? Alrighty, crew.
42 out of 20.
Here you go, out of 22.
Oh, here's a crunch. Oh, man.
Thank you.
That's my change. And that's the goodness. That's a pretty hot girl. Yes, we are weird. There's the change.
Give her a tip. Let's see how you think.
Yes. Oh no, wait. Do you have a one? Change? No, they think for dollars.
Dollars or
Oh, we'll think for that. Hey, we just got a tip. Tip, tip. Hey, tip, tip. Hey, tip, tip. Alright.
Alright, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. There's our business.
Oh, they gave us napkins. Look at that.
Dang, there's a lot of napkins right there.
Oh, shoot.
Alright. We're taking who's going what.
I'll go first.
Alright.
Cannot be good.
Alright, are you gonna come watch this now? Is that any good?
Awesome.
Alright, here.
Hold on. Oh, there's a pickle.
There's the pickle. And the pickle.
Ooh, the hot Cheetos are hot.
Swallow. Alright. Here. My turn. Oh, look, a hot fry.
hot price on that.
No, this is not too bad. I got pickles. And the pickles?
So we can get like big tubs of this, right? If we want more.
I'm pretty much done. Alright, that is officially the most disgusting thing I've ever tasted.
Oh, beef jerky.
Beef jerky's gross. Hold on. Can you press the